welcome back. We've already made this little elf in one of our videos, and now we're going to make this one. I'm going to do one of these stained glass pieces. So this is £1, and the whole point of these videos is to see what these kits are like from the works, to try them out, see what the instructions are like, or if you have to figure things out for yourself, and just look at things that are great projects to do for kids with kids over half term that aren't going to cost a lot of money. So you get 3 of these for £1, so keep 3 kids happy, or 1 kid happy for a long time. Now we've got some tissue here. We've got some snowflake like baubles with images cut out of them. Oh, they've got more to pop out. And we've got some ribbon, and we've got some glue. Okay, so using the glue, stick your favourite colour tissue paper onto the right position of the black card. Cut the more tissue paper according to the gluing area. Repeat above steps to glue other tissue paper into decoration. Thread the ribbon to the whole decoration, and then tie a knot on the 2 to make a loop. Right, that's pretty simple. So we choose which one we'd like. That's a reindeer. That's like a puppy or a dog. That's a snowman. I think we'll do the snowman. Okay, and then you can push these other colours, these are the die cuts out, so you can have more going on. So not through. Now you could either hang these, or you could just glue them, stick them onto your windows. So you decide what colour tissues you're going to use. Let's see what colours we've got. So you probably could use a pair of scissors to go with this project, but the glue does come with it. So we've got green. I think we're probably going to need orange, aren't we, for the snowman's nose. Bit of orange. Should we have a bit of green for his hat? Green for his hat. We'll have the white or the vanilla colour for the stars, or we'll have some yellow for the stars and the white, sorry, for the snowflakes, or green for his, oh, we'll need that for his body. And then we'll need green for his scarf and his gloves. So let's try that and see how that works out. I'll try some red for his scarf and his gloves. We'll see how this works out. So decide which way you want him to be facing. So for the stars, we're going to use yellow. Okay, so I'm going to cut out a piece of tissue to cover the yellow stars. So they're going to go like that. I'm just going to cut up this side so that that's okay. Just cut that side off. And I'll use the glue that they've provided because I want to see what it's like after all. So we'll just go around the edge of our image and pop our tissue down. And then we're going to pop our ribbon through. Got loads of tissue left to do the others. Maybe I've been a bit too skinflinty on the tissue. Loads of ribbon left for the rest of the projects. Loads of glue left for the rest of the projects. And then we're just going to pop the ribbon through. And look at that. That is so cute. Didn't take very long. It's a great little way to discuss, you know, to chat about colours and what's appropriate and what's not appropriate to use. And the only thing is, it is very fiddly. You really have to be careful cutting all these little bits out. So it is quite fiddly, but it's fun, and it depends on if you want to make them all sort of true to colour or what you want to do. I mean, to do all this, it would be quite difficult, because you do have to more or less cut the pieces precisely. It wouldn't be so bad if you got the pieces that came out and you could use them as templates. So I would advise, if you do get some of the pieces, to use them as templates. But other than that, that is a nice little project, and for £1 for 3, you know, who cares? If your kids don't get them perfect, they don't care. The whole point for the kids is just enjoying sitting at the table, being let loose with the glue and the tissue, and just cracking on with it. So I'd give that one a thumbs up, especially for mums. So that's a good project. I enjoyed that, and that's definitely going to use up a cold afternoon for sure. So yeah, I love that one. So we'll be back in an hour with the next one.